What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add a stock to your watch list on the Fidelity mobile app. So once you have your Fidelity mobile app opened, you're just going to hit the three dots in the bottom right corner. Once you hit those, you should see right at the top under beta experience for the watch list. It might actually be at the top of the screen because some devices do not have the beta feature. And then as you could see in the watch list, you could easily just add a stock to the watch list under add symbol at the bottom of your list. And as you can see, I just added Johnson & Johnson, and now that's part of my list. You could also create other new watch lists if you'd like to do that as well, so you could have multiple watch lists. And there's a bunch of different ways to display it, as far as the change day to day, or the change in total since you've invested, or all sorts of other features. If you have any questions or need help with this tutorial, please comment down below, and I'll be sure to help you out. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.